Home Tips 01 News TV.
Good day, Philippines! This is Home Tips 01 News TV, bringing you the latest news in the Philippines. No homework policy, still on board? A directive from the Department of Education, DepEd Memorandum Number 392, Section of 2010, aims to give students a break from homework on weekends. But are students really experiencing this no homework policy? Our field reporter, Louie Atik, is on ground to find out. Louie?
Homer, we are here at the PT Science Integrated School, where we spoke to students about their experiences with the no homework policy. Are teachers really following this rule? Let's hear from them.
Hindi po ramdam ang no homework policy. Sa katunayan ay halos wala na akong oras para sa sarili ko dahil sa dami ng assignment. Tas bawat subject palagi pang mayroong assignment.
With students still receiving assignments, many are questioning whether the no homework policy is indeed effective or stricter enforcement is needed.
Sa dami kasi ng homework na binibigay ng mga teacher, minsan nabuburn na yung utang ng bata, hindi makapag-focus, hindi nakakapagliwaliw o na-relax yung utak nila kasi pag galing ng school, study, and then pagdating ng bahay, homework naman, imbis na ma-relax na yung isip ng mga students.
Once again,
This is Home Tips 01